papasok ka, merong double doors. Merong restaurant sa kanan. Ito yung lobby area. This is a much older hotel than where I stayed. But that's kind of expected naman. Courtyards are typically 4-star hotels. Pero sobrang luma ng carpet. Ang hirap i-push ng luggage. It's my room number. Diyos ko, sa dulo pa yata ako. Hindi. Here we are. So this is definitely a much older hotel. You can even smell it's old. You have to put your key here para mag-lights up siya. And then, once you walk in, you've got your wardrobe here. There you'll see the safe. Very basic. Walang kahit ano, maliban sa slippers, which I'm not taking. Okay. And then, on the right is the bathroom. And typical Japanese toilet. Shower on bath. Pero at least full size yung bath niya. So we can make use of that. And then here is your mini bar. Tapos meron ditong fridge. Meron siyang laman. Pero syempre chargeable pagka ginamit mo. Yung water libre. Okay. So you've got here ayun yung TV. Tapos meron ditong pajamas. Oh, I like these pajamas. Tapos dito blanco lang. Okay. And then there's my king bed. Pero parang queen size lang to compared dun sa king size ng W. Okay. And then there's a desk. Merong maliit na couch. And then you've got no view at all. Meron of a pharmacy over there. But other than that, it's the windows to the next building. Di man lang view ng Shinkansen. Ay, ng metro. Okay. Merong maliit na balcony pero hindi naman siya napupuntahan kasi sealed yung window. Ako, delikado to. Baka mamaya mainit din tong kwarto na to So parang nako-control naman siya. It was set at 25 earlier. I'll just put it down to 20. Ang tanong ay kung tatagal ba yan at 20. Just looking around the area, there doesn't seem to be anything worth seeing in this area. Parang nagre-regret ako dapat nag-Westin Osaka na lang ako sa may Umeda. At least yon in a vibrant location. Tapos pwede akong airport limousine bus directly. I should have done that. Kasi naisip ko, gusto kong mag-JR Haruka kasi tatanggalin na nila yung Hello Kitty, I think in March or April lang sabi. Pero, I don't even know if the one that I'm getting on Thursday is the Hello Kitty one. So, oh well, nandito na tayo. It smells very musty. Arte ko. Pero, di totoo. Kasi kung ang difference lang ng bayad dito tsaka sa Westin ay $18, dapat nag-Westin na ako Nagsisisi ako. Oh well, let's see.